In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Insights add-on in Hubstaff. By the end, you'll have the Insights add-on enabled and be looking at its dashboard, ready to explore your team's data. Start by signing into your Hubstaff account and heading to your organization's dashboard. This is your home base in Hubstaff and the easiest place to begin. Make sure you're working in the correct organization if you have access to more than one. If you don't see the dashboard right away, use the main navigation to get there. Next, open your organization's settings. In the settings area, look for the section labeled Insights. You should see an option to preview the add-on. Go ahead and select Preview Add-on. If you don't see Insights listed, you may need admin or owner permissions to manage add-ons, so check with your account administrator. Also, the Insights add-on availability can depend on your plan, but you can still access the trial from here when it's offered. You'll be taken to the Insights area where you can start the activation process. Click Try it for free. This begins the trial so you can evaluate the features before committing. If you're ever uncertain, look for notes on the page that outline what's included in the trial and when it ends, so there are no surprises. Now you'll see a brief onboarding flow. Click Get started. These screens introduce what Insights can do, things like surfacing key metrics on productivity and trends across your team. So feel free to skim, but you don't need to configure anything here. Continue through the tour by clicking Continue. The onboarding generally highlights the main views and how data is summarized. Keep clicking, continue to move forward. This is simply an introduction and won't change your settings. When you reach the end, click Finish. This confirms the add-on setup and wraps up the onboarding. If you ever want to revisit guidance, there's usually help content inside the product you can access later. Finally, select Take Me to Insights. You'll land on the Insights dashboard, which aggregates your organization's data into clear visual summaries. From here, you can explore the default views, adjust filters like date ranges and teams, and bookmark this page for quick access. If your team is newly added or data looks light, give it some time. Insights becomes more valuable as more activity is tracked. That's it. You opened the dashboard, went into settings to preview the add-on, started the free trial, stepped through the quick tour, and opened the Insights dashboard. Follow these steps anytime you need to enable Insights for a new organization, and you'll be up and running in minutes.